Hello, ma'am. What was your dental concern when you visited Dontia?
Yeah, hello. I had come for a regular dental checkup, and also I had come for a pain in my neck region and my head region, and also I had some issue with my teeth.
Okay. So you were provided the splint treatment for TMD. What are the changes that you realized after the treatment?
Yeah, before actually I had this headache radiating from my teeth. It went up to my head in the back, but now it's come down quite a lot. It's significantly reduced. So I got a lot of relief from that. And also my movement of my jaw is more easier. It's more flexible right now.
Okay, so you think that this is a kind of life-changing result for you? Has this made your life easier?
Yes, it has really, because I'm free from that pain. It was kind of nagging and which had really given me a lot of trouble. So now I'm really happy with this treatment.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. How much do you recommend people to come to Dontia?
Yeah, please do come, because they are very courteous and very professional, and they will help you in the right way. Thank you.
Thank you.